How to cancel YouTube Premium subscription. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your YouTube app. Make sure you have already logged into your YouTube account. You will land to the home page. Now at the top right corner, you will find your profile icon. Click on it. With that, different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of Purchases and Memberships. Open it. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now over here, you will find this section of memberships. Under that, you will find your premium. I have upgraded to the individual membership. In order to cancel this premium, all you have to do is click on this drop down of Manage Membership. With that, you will get this option of Cancel Membership. Go ahead and click on this option of Cancel Membership. YouTube may ask for a confirmation or provide some options to keep you subscribed. Follow the prompts until you successfully cancel your subscription. Once you have gone through the cancellation process, make sure you receive confirmation that your subscription has been cancelled. You may also receive an email confirming the cancellation. It's a good idea to check your payment method, such as your credit or PayPal, to ensure that no further charges will be made. So this way you can easily cancel your YouTube Premium subscription. But still you are having the issue, then you can reach out the YouTube support for assistance. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.